लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन में आज हमारे पास हैं एक्ट्रेस एंड मॉडल आमना इलियास। वेलकम टू द शो। कैसा फील कर रही हैं आप? लुकिंग नाइस एंड ब्राइट इन येलो एंड रेड।
थैंक यू। आई थॉट आई शुड मेक योर मॉर्निंग ब्राइट।
यस, थैंक यू। वी नीड इट। ट्यूसडे तक थोड़ी एनर्जी वैसी कम हो रही होती है। सो आमना, यू हियर ऑन आवर शो टू प्रमोट योर मूवी मस्तानी। और अब हम आमना से लेंगे कुछ अमेजिंग स्कूप अबाउट द मूवी। आमना, सो आई बिलीव आज ही आपने इसको प्रमोट करना शुरू किया, राइट? सो टेल अस अ लिटिल अबाउट के कैसे आपको लगा कि आप ये रोल प्ले कर सकती हैं? आपने क्या सोचा जब आपने ये रोल लिया?
Well, I was approached by Usman, who's the director of the film, and it is his first film. And,
okay.
So obviously I had my doubts and my, my
होते हैं थोड़े बहुत तो doubts होते हैं
what the film is like, क्या है project. But जब उन्होंने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट नरेट की और फिर भेजी और मैंने पढ़ी, so it was all about this girl, you know, who's full of life, and it's basically the film is a social drama. If you it's comedy, it's rom-com.
It's got a whole bunch of things.
Yeah, it has a whole bunch of things. It's a reflection of our society, you know, what we go through every day, and how a young person, you know, who's full of energy and wants to bring a change and things. All you know, life is, you know, when we were also young.
जब हम rose colored glasses से दुनिया को देख रहे हैं,
rose colored glasses से देख रहे होते हैं. So this girl is all about that, and so I could really relate to it because I think when I was also like in my teens, and you know, so I was that sort of a person that
you're not like that anymore. I still think you are.
I think you still calm down when the reality hits you, you know, in life, you know.
But आप hope नहीं lose करते.
But आप hope नहीं lose करते. But आपको पता चल जाता है that some things are out of your control.
Basically. Of course.
So coming back to the point, when Usman approached me and narrated the film to me, and I really liked the character because the film was about this girl. Of course, फिर उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि DOP हमारे कौन है, और Khizr Idris साहब थे, so he's a very good DOP, and then an entire team came together. So a bunch of good people came together, and sort of, you know, that made me believe, you know, that there is potential in this film. And of course, everything was and nothing. I mean, I love doing films. आपको पता है, मैंने काफी सारी फिल्में की.
मैंने वही मैं आपका देख रही थी, आपने जिंदा भाग, गुड मॉर्निंग कराची, 7 दिन मोहब्बत इन, और आपने काफी, इनफैक्ट आपने ड्रामा भी किया हुआ है, तो मेरे पास हो.
हाँ जी.
तो ये उससे तो आपके लिए एक स्टेप अबव था, डिफरेंट था?
Well, I started my career as a model, as a fashion model, and then acting में जब मैं आई तो I did a first film rather than doing a serial. So I've done everything in reverse, I believe. I did film first, then I did television, and then I did theatre. So it's like people usually start with that and then go upwards.
But you're not mainstream, so it's okay. Different people do different things.
It's not about. I mean, it's not about following someone's footsteps, right? For me, doing theatre was like I wanted to learn. I wanted to sort of polish my craft.
Amazing.
And that was the reason that I really went back, you know, went back to the basics. कि चलो ये तो सीखा नहीं है, मतलब ठीक है, अल्लाह वालों तो acting कर लेती हूँ मैं. But why not sort of, if I'm doing something, then I should do it properly.
Properly, of course.
So then I did my theatre play, I think last year, which was a massive hit. Everyone loved it, and it was called The River's Daughter.
The River's Daughter.
So yeah, and then this film came along. Actually, we shot this film a couple of years ago. And it was very cold when we shot it.
Okay.
Very, very cold.
कहाँ आप लोग शूट कर रहे थे मूवी?
हमने पिंडी में शूट की पूरी फिल्म, और हमने I think December, January and Feb इतना शूट किया. And as you can see in the film, the entire feel of the film is summers.
हाँ, actually now that you're saying कि winters थी तो लग ही नहीं रहा.
It was winters. I couldn't deliver my dialogues. My jaw was like literally, I used to clench my jaw. और कभी-कभी हाँ. So we were like, there was smoke coming out of our, you know.
Say dialogue.
Yeah, it was crazy. I think they edited it. All of it is like CGI किया है. Because every time I remember me, and of course, how can I forget Afan? You know, Afan is an amazing delight to work with.
I'm sure.
I remember when we were doing scenes, तो हम कहते थे ये धुआं कैसे आप इसको कैसे हटाएंगे? So we'll take care of it. आप लोग इतनी सर्दी थी.
इतनी सर्दी थी.
It was.
और आपने समर्स के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, आप लोगों का वार्डरोब भी
लिनन यार मलमल मैंने पहना हुआ है पूरी. So I was carrying this very long till my ankle, you know, I had this big bomber jacket that probably you wear in Russia.
Of course. अल्लाह, इतनी सर्दी.
So yeah.
इस दफा वैसे पड़ी है सर्दी काफी.
ये तो हमें फिर भी आपको पुरानी बात बता रही, तब भी बहुत सर्दी.
तब भी बहुत सर्दी.
और कराची वालों के लिए तो मजीद सर्दी होती है.
I can imagine.
You know, we don't experience winters like that. So I remember after every scene, वो मेरा एक बंदा ना मेरी जैकेट लेके खड़ा होता था, तो मैं ये भी नहीं करती थी कि ऐसे हाथ डालूं, मुझे इतनी ठंड लगती थी कि मैं ऐसे इसके अंदर चली जाती थी, ऐसे पकड़ खड़ा था. So it was,
I can imagine. So actually real level of acting हो गई आप लोगों के लिए.
Experience and a half though.
तो how was the shooting schedule like? बहुत ज़्यादा आप लोगों को देर तक करना होता था? How long did it take for you to finish?
Well, shooting, I mean, it really depends on the project, and sometimes if it's a bad day and you get stuck for whatever reasons, whatever production reasons, or like, you know, things don't go your way on a certain day. So in those days, yes, we had long hours, but generally I think we used to do a 12-hour shift and not more than that, because इतनी सर्दी में होता भी नहीं था।
तो आपके जो co-star हैं अफान, उनके साथ काम करने में आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
अफान के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ, मैं कहूँगी दो लोग हैं जिनके साथ मुझे काम करने में इक्वली मजा आता है। One is Ahmed Ali Akbar and the other, I mean equally, one and one.
Okay,
one and two.
It's equal.
It's equal. And Afan, because these are the two actors that I've realized, and especially Afan also. He's so genuine, you know. He's not insecure. He will give you your space, because this film is about this girl, you know, and everything is revolving around her. So I understand that sometimes, you know, actors come in with this notion ke, you know, हमारा तो काम कम है या हमारा काम ज़्यादा है, या, you know, so they don't really believe in the narrative, but some things become about themselves, and I've experienced that in past. But with Afan, as I said before, he's such a delight. It was such a pleasure to work with him. He's an amazing human being, so calm, so composed, and a very good actor.
और बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, because आपका काम का फिर
of course एक आपको support मिल जाती है, and you feel very comfortable, you know. So और मैंने अफान ने हमने एक serial भी किया फिर इसके बाद साथ में, which got बंदिश जो पहले ऑन है।
अच्छा।
So, but this was I think my first.
Amazing! I love that.